Hello, my name is Talat Afroz and I have a PhD in molecular biology from the University of Alabama at Birmingham, USA. I have 19 years of experience in teaching biology and molecular biology, beginning with 4 years as a high school biology teacher, 5 years as assistant professor, and 10 years as a voluntary lecturer at the University of Toronto's St. George campus, teaching a graduate level course in molecular biology techniques. My teaching philosophy has always been to use the query-based approach to introduce a topic. Once the early queries invoke the correct train of thought in the students about the topic in hand, I would then provide verbal and PowerPoint slide-based visual information about key concepts. After talking for a few minutes about each topic, I would then interject with a couple of questions designed to test the understanding of the students, and then go on to verbal and visual info about the next topic. My exam questions were always designed to test the cognition and understanding of the key concepts discussed in class, using numerical problems about molecular biology, questions requiring pictorial interpretation of bar or line graphs, for example while discussing real-time PCR, and multiple choice questions, as well as questions requiring looking at data provided and asking a short answer of a few sentences from the students. I always encourage students to stop me at any moment to ask questions during my lectures. I always provided a complete set of PowerPoint slides to my students prior to my lecture, and this included a few slides at the end where last year's exam questions were solved for the students to give them an idea of the type of questions to be asked of them. I never repeated any exam questions during my entire teaching career. Thank you.